Hey, is the mic on?
Is it on? Hold on.
Oh, it's raining, man. Yeah.
It'll go away.
What's happening, everybody? The Subi is done. Well, partially done. Still have to raise it up, but yeah. Looks good.
Yep, I know you're ready to see it too.
Yeah, but guess what? You're not gonna see it in this video.
He's joking.
But yeah. Sorry for the last video. A lot of people said they weren't able to see it because of whatever, but we went back to 1080p just because it's better. It's easier to render, and all the files that we use, they're at 1080, so we just decided to stay at 1080. And honestly, a lot of people can't even watch 4K yet, so there's no point.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, let's unveil this car. So before you guys see the wheels, as you can see, it's raining. Welcome to Delaware. I'm just I'm raising the car back up because as you can see, that fitment though, rubber all on my fender. So raising the car back up about 1/4 of an inch. Show them the front fitment. The back rubs when I ride with people. I still don't have my seats in. As you can see, no seats. So raising the back up, I'm gonna raise that side up. I gotta measure to make sure they're even, and then everything will be good. We'll be ready to ride by then. Now, I had this on here. How many days have I had this on so far? About 3 days?
Something like that.
Yeah, so I had it on about 3 days, so I didn't really have time to adjust it, which is why I have all this rubber on my fenders. But let's do this. And as you can see, it's hot, sweating, freaking crazy hot. Come on, baby. Maybe I'm just weak.
Maybe.
This thing is killing my hand, man.
Is it moving at all?
It's moving.
Oh, okay.
Just taking forever. Shut up, birds. Think we made it.
I hope you did, because I'm getting sick of holding this camera.
Nope.
Oh my gosh.
You get all kinds of games. All kinds. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I need to take a break. All right, so we're trying to make it the 6. Come in here. Come get some of this action. If you can hear me. Hold up. All right. So we're trying to measure this. I found out this is a better way to measure it. Cool. Just to make sure it's even. We're trying to get to 6. We got a long way to go. And this thing is hard to move, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. But we're gonna keep spinning. I can't. It's too tight. I can't.
As soon as you said that, you like, I can't.
I can't.
What's it at now? 5.5?
It's at 5.5 right now. Should we just try that or just go all the way to 6?
See, I don't want to try 5.5 and then
it not work.
Yeah.
All right, I feel you. All right, we'll go as close as we can to 6.
5.75.
Yeah, that works. I like that.
But then you might as well go to 6 then.
I like that. I can't.
That means you're only 1/4 of an inch away.
Dude, I can't. My hand. Look at my hand.
All right, let me try. Here,
Look at my hand.
Come get some of this action.
Let me get some of this camera action. We've been watching too much Hodge Twins.
You have.
All right, let's do this.
See this?
I'm making all kinds of gains.
Oh yeah. Okay, how do I do this now?
Just put it.
Nah. This
Don't,
way, right?
Yeah, don't hit your hand. Your arm. Like that.
I didn't hit it though. Wait, let me look at it.
Hold up, you're moving the whole car. you gotta hold the thing because you're just gonna move the whole car.
Oh, I gotta hold it.
Like hold the splines and pull them towards you sort of as you're doing it.
Okay.
But don't let it slip off. If that thing slips off, you're done.
You're effed.
Your hand is going to be done.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy.
Maybe I'm just weak.
Hold on, let me do it further ahead so I get more.
Making all kinds of gains. What? Yeah, it's official. I'm just weak. That's what it is. And I'm sweating. Look how tired I am right now. Look at that. That's hard work right there. Orlando's making all kinds of gains.
Oh, let me rephrase. It's not easy, but I can do it.
Not easy, but he could do it.
Dang it. See, I keep trying to do it without looking at it. That's a mistake.
The other side's way easy. Like, I can do that side. This side just has so much tension on it. I don't know why.
Really?
Alright, hold on. Measure right quick.
Ooh. Where do you do it, Thumb? Like right here?
From the bottom. Just line that. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. To the black part. No, to the black part on the strut.
Oh. What up?
Yeah, underneath that chrome part. What is it at?
Underneath the chrome?
Not chrome, but gold, whatever.
It is 5 1/2. Is it?
Really? Always wear dirty clothes when you're working on cars. You know, got dirty clothes on. But another major advice thing, I'm just gonna let y'all know. Never get, I'm not gonna show the brand, never get aluminum lug nuts. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't know who that was, but I don't know. Never get aluminum lug nuts because, as you can see, I'm gonna show you, they like to strip on the inside. And that's not gonna hold your car on. I mean, that's not gonna stay on your car. So now I gotta get new lug nuts, some steel ones. Sucks. What do you guys say about that?
Gotta say my arm hurts.
You're sweating. Look at the sweat.
That sweat action right there. See that? Oh yeah.
That's hard work right there.
Oh,
That's hard work right there. All right, let's focus, man. Why are we acting crazy? Like, let's get this done.
All right.
Okay, yeah, we did go up a lot. We did go up. We went up a 1/4 inch on that side, and that side was below 5. It was slightly lower than this side, so we just got to raise this side to 5.5, and we should be good. That'll give us a 1/4 inch, and we'll get rid of all this rubber on my fenders.
And your hands.
And my hands. Haha! Sticking on the car. All right, let's get this done.
Oh.
Oh, hold up. Pause. I just thought of something. Let's show them why you don't stretch your tires. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Okay.
I'm coming. Oh, oh. Ow, ow, ow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why we are done stretching tires. It was fun. It was all fun when we were all teenagers and we were just riding around all low and stuff. But now, it's pointless. Don't stretch your tires. Come get a zoom in on that. Where's the tread at? Where's the tread?
I was about to say, don't rub your hand on that. It's going to cut.
Oh no, I wasn't running on that. I'm not trying to get cut. All the way down to the steel. It's crazy.
Or at least be aware of what you're doing. Because stretching your tires can degrade it quicker, so. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. It can degrade your tires quicker and stuff like that. Slight stretch isn't that bad, but when you stretch a little bit too much and neglect the tires, that will happen to you, so.
Now look at these.
Yeah. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Look at these. HZR H3s. 245, 40, 18. Now, it is stretched a little bit, but look at the sidewall. I mean, that's not much of a stretch. That's just enough so where, as you can see, that's where my fender was rubbing. Just enough to where the fender won't kill the tire, if you know what I mean. Look at all that crap already in the...
That's messed up.
What?
I saw that.
You saw what?
I saw that ant. You just stepped. Oh, he's alive!
He's still alive. What are you talking about?
Alive. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Dang, John!
Sorry, buddy. I don't like ants. Does Trayvon approve? What do you think?
I approve. Looks good.
Yeah, we got the fitment in the back right. The front's not rubbing. Even when I turn, so we're good. I'm still gonna get my fenders rolled by my friend. Eventually, I just haven't asked him yet. You can see where it's sort of pulling right there. But overall, we're good. The back fitment we raised up so it's a little bit higher in the back than the front. Just so when I ride with people, it doesn't scrape. Because when I was riding by myself yesterday, all this was rubbing. You can see the rubber was just rubbing. And I rolled the back fenders with a hammer, which I don't recommend. And you can see where on the tire it was rubbing. But yeah, overall I'm happy with it. It's definitely that track meaty look that I was going for.
Better make it. Not much, not much.
What do you mean not much? I see a whole bunch of smoke.
That was some earlier.
No, it's not smoke. Oh well, YOLO. Need new turbo soon. Yeah, we're good. I just gotta get that turbo. That's smoking. I don't like that. You know what that means? Turbo upgrade. But other than that, we're good.
Cool.
Ice cream. Alright, so the wheels are on, coils are on. The height's adjusted how I want it. Just got to get the alignment and then I'll be good to go. And then probably get a turbo eventually too, because I don't like that smoke. That's coming from the turbo seal. But yeah. Alright, so guys, what do you think I should do next? Wing? Diffuser? I have the front lip, I've been lazy, never painted it. What do you think I should do next?
I say the wing.
The wing? Now should I go with a track style wing or like a STI style wing?
You already know what I think.
Track or STI style wing?
If you're going track spec, I mean track wing.
Big wing ricer? Should I be that guy? Whatever, let's do it. I'm down. But we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.